That door, it is not the door of your house, but the door of your heart. He's knocking. Kung diringgin ninuman ang aking tinig, if anyone who, sabi niya, anyone, sino man, sabi niya, kung diringgin ninuman ang aking tinig at bubuksan. So your part now is to believe and to open the door of your heart and let Jesus come to your life. And let Jesus come to your family. And let Jesus come to your workplace. And let Jesus come to your personal life. Ang sabi ng Panginoon, papasok ako sa Kanya at kakain kaming magkasalo. Gaano ka-sweet ang Diyos na pinaglilingkuran natin. Diba? Gaano kaganda? Kasalo mo ang Lord sa buhay mo. Every day, every wake up in the morning, kasalo mo si Lord, kasama mo si Lord. That's why, walang dahilan para panghinaan ka ng loob. Walang dahilan para talikuran mo si Lord. Walang dahilan para i-reject mo si Lord. Walang dahilan para hindi natin ibigin si Lord.